Yo, if you haven't heard of Chat GPT, you must be living under a rock. Here are a few ways you can use Chat GPT to make money. Number one, generate content for websites. By using Chat GPT to generate articles, blog posts, or product descriptions, you can create high quality content for your own website or clients. This can help increase your traffic to your site, which can lead to more ad revenue or affiliate income. ChatGPT is especially useful for writing the tidbits of an article that you might find boring, like introductions, conclusions, etc. This is a really, really good opportunity for you to step your game up with your writing, for your business. The next, write social media posts. So ChatGPT can be used to generate engaging and on-brand social media posts. This can help increase the reach and engagement of your social media accounts, which can in turn help increase affiliate income or lead to paid partnerships with brands. So like if you're not sure what to write about, you could ask ChatGPT ideas, and you can also, what I found to be useful is using it like Google, and the shit would generate an answer for you, which is crazy. Next, ChatGPT can also help you create email campaigns. So it could be used to write emails, persuasive emails, even craft emails from scratch. This is what I found profound and kind of, interesting. Even when I did a live demonstration of ChatGPT on my previous video, you guys saw I was typing in shit and it was just generating a response really, really quickly. So it can be used as a tool to help you. Now, I would also proofread the shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to sit here and just let it write, copy, and paste. Now, I would read it. I would change up a couple of things, you know what I'm saying? But it could do a lot of the legwork for you. Also, for a lot of you guys who, have created an e-commerce, business, and you need some help writing descriptions for products, ChatGPT can also, help you write compelling and accurate product descriptions for your websites. It can also, which I think is an excellent tool, help content creation for online courses and tutorials. So it can be used to generate high quality instructional content for online courses and tutorials, which in turn can help increase the value of your courses and lead to more sales. So it could also be used to personalize your online course content and also cater to different learning styles of students that you have that participate in your online course. Next, which I think is another good way to make money, which I wish I would have had ChatGPT before I even wrote my 3 books, is content generation for books and also ebooks. It can be used to generate written content for books and ebooks, helping authors save time and increase productivity. So like when I was writing my book and I was stuck on, a couple of areas where I was just I couldn't figure out how to articulate certain things and also get my message across in my book. Now, granted, when I got my book done, when I finished writing the book, I got it edited and proofread. But what it did was it just, the editing and proofreading just focused more on, syntax, subject-verb agreement, making sure that your shit was written properly, and also style and formatting, right? But you could utilize this to actually help you, generate the settings, plot ideas, and things like that. So I think it's a good tool for all of you aspiring writers and who write ebooks to help them out. Next, I think it's good for content for newsletters and news summaries. So a lot of you who own your own business, and if you don't do this, you should definitely have an e-newsletter where you're generating email addresses and you're collecting email addresses and also promoting your products, your brand, and your ideas to your audience that subscribe to your newsletters. But this can help you write more informative newsletters or summaries of your audience. And this technology is able to generate high quality content and also can keep your subscribers engaged and interested in updates that you have for your business. So I just want to share really quickly some ways that you can make money using ChatGPT and artificial intelligence. There are other platforms out there, which I think in my next video, I'll highlight a couple of other platforms that are out there that you can utilize artificial intelligence and, platforms like ChatGPT to help you, increase your business and also ultimately make some fucking money. So let's get fit, let's gain wealth, let's improve our lifestyle. Peace.